Preserving family history requires more than a scan. Some photographs fade quietly. Others suffer sudden damage from water, fire, or time itself. However, the real loss begins when those memories become unrecoverable. Because printed photos rely on fragile emulsions and aging paper, restoration demands more than basic editing. It requires precision, restraint, and a deep understanding of image structure. In metropolitan Houston, families increasingly seek professional restoration because every image represents a story worth preserving. Therefore, true restoration protects both the visual detail and the emotional meaning behind it. Thank you for watching this video by Pictureworth Custom Framing. If you enjoyed it, please like and share it to help support local craftsmanship.